Welcome, today I'm showing how to change your icon shape into a Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon, change your application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application choose something what you wanna change, maybe settings for example. Next up from the free icon library choose something new for your settings, maybe like this. And now for saving this icon you tap OK button in the top right corner, and here we got message place to go to the system settings to open shortcuts permission. Tap OK, open our other permission, choose home screen and shortcuts and choose always allow. Tap back and back one more time and tap OK for saving. Now wait a generation for our icon, then need close ads maybe a few times because it's free application. And one more time. And here we got success message, go to our home screen and find here our new icon of our settings, this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.